Want to skyrocket your affiliate commissions in 2025? Discover the top 70 AI tools that can help you achieve explosive growth in your affiliate marketing business. From automating tedious tasks to optimizing your campaigns for maximum ROI, these cutting-edge tools will give you a competitive edge in the industry. Learn how to leverage the power of AI to boost your affiliate commissions fast and take your business to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, this video is packed with actionable tips and insights to help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start boosting your affiliate commissions today. ChatGPT is an advanced conversational AI that boosts customer engagement and drives affiliate sales through interactive marketing strategies. Jasper is an AI-driven writing assistant perfect for creating high-converting marketing copy, blog content, and social media posts that captivate audiences. Copy.ai generates persuasive sales copy, product descriptions, and email campaigns in seconds with AI-enhanced content suggestions. WriteSonic creates SEO-friendly blog posts, landing pages, and ad copy effortlessly, optimized for higher search engine visibility. Surfer SEO optimizes your content with real-time SEO recommendations, ensuring top search rankings and maximum traffic. ScaleNut is an all-in-one AI-powered content planning and writing platform designed for SEO-rich, engaging content. Phrase researches and optimizes content with AI-driven insights for better SERP visibility and audience engagement. Grammarly ensures your content is error-free and polished, improving readability and professionalism in every piece. Hemingway app simplifies complex sentences, enhances clarity, and improves readability to keep your audience hooked. Quillbot paraphrases and refines your content with AI-powered enhancements, making it more engaging and unique. Pictory transforms long-form content into engaging, shareable videos perfect for affiliate marketing and brand storytelling. Synthesia creates AI-generated videos for product demos, tutorials, and promotional content without needing a camera. Descript edits videos and creates voiceovers effortlessly with AI tools that simplify content creation. Lumen 5 turns your articles into captivating videos for social media and website engagement. InVideo crafts professional-looking marketing videos with customizable templates and AI-driven editing tools. Canva AI designs stunning graphics, visuals, and social media posts with AI assistance to boost brand visibility. Trello creates eye-catching social media visuals and promotional graphics easily with AI-powered design tools. Hotpot AI automates graphic design and image enhancement to produce high-quality visuals instantly. Remove.bg instantly removes backgrounds from images, perfect for clean product photos and marketing visuals. Upscale Media enhances image quality and resolution with AI, making visuals sharper and more appealing. Looker designs AI-powered logos and branding elements to establish a strong business presence. Brandmark generates brand assets and logos effortlessly to give your affiliate business a professional look. Tome uses AI-driven storytelling to craft compelling brand stories and presentations that captivate your audience. Beautiful.ai creates visually stunning presentations that simplify complex information for better audience understanding. ChatFuel builds AI chatbots for Facebook Messenger to boost lead generation and automate customer interactions. ManyChat automates Facebook Messenger marketing with chatbots that engage and convert visitors into customers. MobileMonkey leverages omni-channel chat marketing for higher engagement across Facebook, Instagram, and SMS. Landbot designs interactive chatbot-based landing pages that drive more conversions through automated conversations. Drift enhances conversational marketing with real-time sales chats that guide visitors towards conversions. Intercom engages, supports, and converts visitors on your site with real-time messaging and AI-driven interactions. HubSpot CRM leverages AI-driven sales and marketing automation to streamline affiliate campaigns and follow-ups. ActiveCampaign provides smart email marketing automation for nurturing leads and boosting affiliate commissions. MailerLite simplifies email campaigns and landing pages that increase affiliate engagement and conversions. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing automation with tools for webinars, email marketing, and sales funnels. ConvertKit builds automated sales funnels and segments your audience for more targeted affiliate promotions. ClickFunnels creates high-converting sales funnels optimized for affiliate marketing success. Kartra manages and automates your online business, including landing pages, email marketing, and affiliate tracking. GrooveFunnels builds sales funnels, landing pages, and automates your affiliate business with powerful tools. System.io is an all-in-one platform to manage your entire affiliate business from one dashboard. Lead Pages creates high-converting landing pages that capture leads and drive affiliate sales. Unbounce optimizes landing pages with AI for better conversion rates and affiliate earnings. Instapage offers advanced landing page personalization for higher engagement and conversion rates. Swipe Pages builds mobile-optimized landing pages that convert visitors into customers. AdCreative.ai generates engaging ad creatives automatically, tailored to your affiliate products. Word Hero crafts AI-driven ad copy and social media content that attracts clicks and conversions. Market Muse provides AI-driven content strategy and SEO planning for maximum visibility and traffic. Neural Text discovers top keywords and generates optimized content for higher search rankings. Answer the Public finds content ideas based on trending search queries to boost organic traffic. BuzzSumo discovers trending topics and content inspiration to keep your marketing fresh and relevant. vidIQ optimizes YouTube videos for better search visibility and affiliate link clicks. TubeBuddy manages and grows your YouTube channel with advanced analytics and SEO tools. Streamlabs enhances live streaming with interactive features to engage and convert viewers. Restream broadcasts live content across multiple platforms for maximum exposure. OBS Studio is a professional-grade live streaming software for high-quality broadcasts. ClickBank Analyzer discovers high-converting affiliate offers with deep data analysis. Max Bounty provides access to a variety of high-paying affiliate programs in different niches. Share Saleh finds profitable affiliate partnerships with thousands of brands. CJ Affiliate connects with global brands for top affiliate opportunities. Rakuten Advertising partners with popular online stores for lucrative affiliate commissions. PartnerStack promotes SaaS and software affiliate programs with ease. FlexOffice provides access to niche-specific affiliate programs with high payout potential. Refersion manages your own affiliate program and tracks sales effortlessly. PayKickstart simplifies affiliate management and sales tracking with advanced tools. LinkTrust tracks affiliate marketing performance and manages leads seamlessly. Tapfiliate monitors affiliate sales and performance with real-time data. Volume is an advanced ad tracking and optimization platform to maximize affiliate campaigns. ClickMeter monitors affiliate links and measures conversions with precision. Replug creates branded short links and retargets users for higher conversions. Bitly shortens and tracks affiliate links to measure performance. Pretty Links manages and cloaks affiliate links directly within WordPress. Thirsty Affiliates organizes and optimizes your affiliate links for better user experience. If you found this list of powerful AI tools helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share this content with others who want to skyrocket their affiliate commissions in 2025. And don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tools and strategies.